Hey, this is our holiday gift guide, and I have tech gifts for all the tech lovers out there. Hi, I'm Dave of Tech Experts, and we help entrepreneurs close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. And today we're looking at our holiday gift guide. These are our gift ideas for all the people that love tech on my tech list. So let's see what's up on our holiday gift guide this year. So first up, we have a Roku Ultra. This is our streaming device of choice. It is a little box that lets us stream all the cool shows we want, supports all the major formats, including HDR, 4K, HD, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos for the full sound you want. And I love it because it has all the apps for all the channels, plus channels I've never even heard of or ever believed I could find before, so it makes it super cool. The other thing I love about this and think makes it a game changer, that is the headphone jack on the remote control for late night watching. Yep, you can plug your headphones in right to the side of the remote control and continue watching all night without keeping anybody up. You can continue watching your movies or your TV shows or your series, and no one has to be in the know that you're still up late watching. Next up is my TV choice, and this is my beautiful TV of the year. It's going to be the LG OLED C1 Series 65-inch 4K. And it's 65 inches, I think, is a perfect place to start to get you that full immersive look and feel with this, because the OLED brings you those beautiful, bright, rich, deep colors, and the black is like standing outside in the blackest black night and seeing the bright stars against it. I love that contrast and amazing color. Now that you get that amazing off-axis viewing, so when you're sitting on the edge of the couch watching or gaming with your friends, the picture still looks phenomenal. Now let's talk about sound for that home theater or that TV. You need something that's going to make it sound better than usual. The TVs don't sound great, so let's add some speakers. For that, I'm going to recommend to start with is the Vizio M Series 5.1 home theater sound bar with Atmos and Dolby DTX. So what's that mean? It means the Atmos lets you fire the sound up into the ceiling, bounce it down to help fill in that true full feeling of surround sound with sound raining down from you from above, as well as the 5.1, so speakers in the front, 2 wireless speakers in the rear, and a subwoofer. It takes your sound from the TV level to a whole new realm and still lets you put it in a small space or a place where you're just not able to set up and wire up a whole home theater. This is the perfect choice when you don't have that ability, but you still want amazing sound. Now, when we're ready to step up to our home theater, nothing better than starting with an amazing receiver. And the Yamaha RX V6A 7.2 channel AVR receiver is my choice to start with. Why do I love this? Well, it lets me do all the 4Ks, all the high-end quality, all the devices in, and make them look amazing coming out there. So you can do 4K, 8K, and 4K 120. So that means all your gaming systems will run amazing in this. It also lets you do 7.2, so full surround sound, plus the 2 overhead Atmos speakers and 2 subwoofers. I think that makes it an amazing choice to start your home theater. Be sure to check out our home theater kit for all the rest of your home theater needs. Now, if you're on the go, we love our AirPods, and the Apple AirPod Pros are great because they sound great. They look amazing. They're small, sleek, do a great job of producing sound for the music lover in you, as well as giving you those calls and the ability to go all day, all night long. Now, for the people that are out there that are coffee lovers, I'm one of you. If you are a coffee or a tea fan, this is the gift for you. To be a tech person and love coffee or tea, I got you covered. It's the Ember temperature control smart mug with 14 ounces, so you get that big, beautiful cup of coffee or tea, and it keeps it warm day or night. So if you're a daytime worker or an all-night gamer, we got you covered. It'll keep your coffee or tea hot. Now, for my gaming friends and family out there, I've got you covered for this too. To start with, we're going to look at the Nintendo Switch OLED model, and it's the red and blue one. It also comes in black and white. I love this Switch because of the big, beautiful OLED screen. It's 7 inches with thin little bezels on the side, so the screen just feels bigger. With that, once again, brilliant colors and immersive black, it means you feel like you're sucked right in the game. And you know, Nintendo, we love going big on our colors and boldness, and this supports it full-heartedly. It is the upgraded version, I think, of their design, with a much better kickstand, a much better adapter on it, an ability to still run all your games, put the SD cards in, keep rolling, just like before. All the Nintendo goodness just kicked up another notch. Now, if you're an Xbox fan, I get that. I've loved having Xboxes and PlayStations, and on the Xbox side, I gotta say, the Xbox Series X with the 1 terabyte SSD hard drive and 1 controller and that slot for gaming goodness and put your disc in, I love this. It lets you take your games to a whole nother level with this new Xbox. Like I said, it's got the console that has a drive in it so you can put your Blu-ray in and put it in your home theater. Now, no gaming console is complete without at least 1 second controller in it. If you've got an extra controller, add another one. And I love the Xbox wireless controller and the Aqua Shift. I just think the Aqua Shift looks cool. And if the Aqua Shift ain't the color combination for you, don't worry, we got you covered. They got a ton of different colors, designs for your controller out there. Now, the PlayStation folks, I ain't leaving you out. I've loved my PlayStations before too. And the new PlayStation 5 with the disc version of the game console is awesome. It plays all the games of old and new. It just looks amazing, performs amazing, and is super clean and cool. A nice sleek design with, once again, that disc put-in ability to play your Blu-rays, and they have that haptic feedback, amazing controllers. We love the feel of those as they rumble in our hands. Once again, the console comes with 1 controller, so be aware. You want to look at doing the next thing on our list, which is getting you that extra controller. Everybody should have at least 1 extra Sony PlayStation DualSense wireless controller in their house. Like when you're playing the old school Crash Burnout games and you could race and crash and rumble through everything, those controllers are perfect for it. And having a second controller makes it so much more fun when you can race and crash with your friends and family and talk some smack along the way. Now, next up on my list, still another Sony product, but this one is for the sound person in the house. Somebody that loves amazing sound. Anybody that's a fan of music, sound creation, you want to make amazing sound, you're the musician, you're the sound creator, or just the video editor, and you need to hear all the details, all the beauty, or you like gaming all day and night long and be able to hear all the sound, these are the ones. The Sony MDR 7506 professional large diaphragm headphones. Why do I love these? Well, they're big, they're the over the ear, they block out the rear sound, and they have amazing sound quality reproduction. So it's got a huge sound range from all the bass all the way up to the top end treble. It has the full range and lets you fully get that immersive feel like you're right there at the concert, hearing all the notes, all the musicians, all the people playing, and they're comfortable to wear all day. They can even be folded up and shoved in the bag, and you're big enough that you can plug it in the stereo, lean and get way back, stretch out that cord, and just crank up your vinyl and enjoy the sounds. Last on my list, but definitely not the least, for the PC gamer in the household, you need one of these laptops. It's a Razer Blade 14-inch gaming laptop. It sports the AMD Ryzen 9, and then not only that, you've got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics cards in them, so they are blazingly fast on the processor and blazingly fast on your graphics side. That means you can get all your gaming goodness all in one and be able to pick it up and take it with you. It's not so big and blocky you can't take it with you. You can go and game with your friends or game as you go, and it's perfect for the creative types out there too. So if you are a content creator, this is my choice for you as well. The fact that it's got all that performance in one laptop. So not only can you get your game on, you can get your game streaming and content creation on at the same time, or just straight up content creation. If you want to make your YouTube videos and be able to do it on the go, this is my number one choice for this holiday season. Now, that wraps up my gift list items for this year for the holiday season. I know there's something amazing on there out there you would love to get. Please, if you liked my list, give me the big thumbs up. It makes a huge difference for me on this list. While you're at that, hit that subscribe button for me. I want you to subscribe because we have more content coming out all the time. We have more how-do-I guides, more tech tips, more reviews, and more what I want to call is you need to be in the know. So hit that subscribe button for me. And if you haven't done so yet, please check out my show links down below in my description. I have links to this video and the products in it. I have links to the other video for the other holiday gift guide in here as well. I have a $50 and under one for all those fun stocking stuffers, white elephant parties, and all the people you just need to get a little fun gift holiday techness for and you're not sure what to get them. I got a cool list that covers like 15 different holiday gift ideas for everybody in the friends and family. So there's something out there even for the office parties. Please know all the links that are linked here for all the kits are affiliate links. These affiliate links do pay us a small commission. That commission just helps us continue to make amazing new content. Now, if you have any comments, feedbacks, or suggestions, you can leave in the comment section down below. You can email me and you can DM me. I'd be happy to chat about anything I have on my list or any list ideas you have. Again, I am Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to talking and working with you, and I hope you are having an amazing holiday season.